1923, in a beer hall like this, the original Nazi leadership gathered their followers. They were impatient and eager to take power. Hitler waved his pistol in the air and called for the revolution to begin. Hitler led the ragtag revolutionaries in the beer hall into the streets of Munich, planning to overthrow the government. But that attempted revolt, called the beer hall Putsch, failed. After a bloody confrontation, the police crushed it here at Odeonsplatz. Hitler was arrested and sent to jail, and it seemed that Germany's fascist movement was finished before it got off the ground. Unable to overthrow the government by force, Hitler resolved to take it by political means. While in prison, he wrote Mein Kampf, or My Struggle, which preaches his message of uniting all ethnic Germans and giving them more space to live. The book remains potent to this day, particularly for Germans like Andreas Clemens. Could Germans just buy this?
Until recently, it was illegal to buy or sell it in Germany.
So if I was to read Mein Kampf, what's the writing like?
Well, you can see that Hitler had problems with grammar. Part of it is gibberish. It's very hard to get through. The book is one of the most published books in history, and every German household had that book. And they probably tried to read it, but they gave up 10, 20 pages in.
And this, I would imagine, lays out the main points of the fascist future. What are those points?
He's saying that democracy doesn't work, that it's a flawed system that can be manipulated by outside forces for their own gain. He's blaming communists for it. Ultimately, at the end of everything, is the Jewish world conspiracy. So Jews are behind everything that is wrong with the world. That he has a solution for that, and the solution is fascism or National Socialism. And that he can make Germany strong, he can unite the country, he can unite the master race and get us back to a rightful status.